Hi everyone, in my previous video I make this one and it's very nice, simple and easy method. First I will show you, this is connector. First I will show you, here is mobile and nothing in the background, just Bluetooth is on here, keep on the Bluetooth and no SIM card, no service message here. Okay, now going to open any app, Amazon, no internet. Try to open Google Play Store, games here, click on game, no internet, go back. Now both our apps are on the background running. Okay, speed test, open browser. Okay, this is, let's try speed test, SP, search. As you can see, no SIM card found, no network, nothing. So now what we're going to do, we will connect our this modem, see it's gonna work. How it's work, 1 2 3, boom. So our modem is now connected. Okay, 1 2 3, try again. Yeah, thumbs up. Here you can see very nice speed. And now going to open the old 1 2 3. Wow, perfect. Click on any link here. Yeah, again, anything, done. So now try to download any game here. I download the game because at least you have some idea, because you cannot download game without internet from Google Play Store. You can see it's working. You can choose any other game even. It's like this, okay. Go better. Nothing here. As you can see, in the background, no SIM card here. So setting should be something like that. Okay, let's I bring out this and put it free internet device here on the side and try again any app. As you can see, I think go back on our Amazon, try on another thing, maybe something like, you can see nothing. Go back, same, test again, nothing is working. It's just try to connect but nothing, as you can see. So next thing, how I made it, actually I have previous video, later you can check but now I want to show you first. This is inverter converter type C, and then we have a copper tape here. Previously, as I used the copper tape for making video, and take a one round first here, 3 inches copper tape. I use it here. Okay, I hope you can see very clear. Okay, going to show you step by step. I want to take some thumbnail actually for my video, that's why. Okay, first bring out this better. Okay, 3 inches almost, and then this also 3 inch, and then this also 3 inch tape, pull back, and then this is a magnet. Connected down to the SIM card. Here you can see I placed to the SIM card just like this, and is placed to the magnet. Very simple and easy method. Anyone can do it. So many people, they ask me how to get the copper wire, aluminum wires, or whatever. So you can get everything is online. These things are not very hard to find. And here you can see the wire. It's totally aluminum, but it's like a tape. So it can stick well, but after 1 time or 2 time when you sticks, it's not easy to stick again. So simple. This is the modem I used before few time in different videos, and this is the old modem. Whatever you have old modem in your home, you can get the SIM card 3G, mostly old modem with 3G or 4G network, because currently for 5G networks is even the new phones also don't need of SIM cards anymore. So I think if you use this kind of modem is very suitable. Old modem, you need just 1 SIM card, you need copper tape and the magnet. This magnet is one, how much diameter I will show you. This magnet is almost, let me zoom. Okay, this magnet is 1 mm thick and 1.5 centimeter. 1 centimeter, and this is half, 1.5 centimeter diameter, or you can say 15 mm diameter. So this is the length of magnet, and if you see the tape is 5 mm wide tape, half centimeter you can say the length of the tape, and it's just like tape. So I think there's nothing to measurement to. So yeah, that's all. If you have any question you can ask me, and I will link in my description the first video how I made it. That video is a little bit longer, almost 15 minutes, 16 minutes, but that video is more detailed about how I made it and I do this. So if you want to see first video, you can check on the description, part 1 detail, and click on it and you will straight go there. See you. I always recommend, please watch completely, carefully if you want 100% result. I tested different mobile with different modem, but there's thousands mobile and different kind of, but I can test everyone in the same time, so I choose simple and easy. This is the idea concept demonstration educational purpose video. It might be not work in some country. Google already deleted my few videos, and that's why I'm very careful. I can't explain how I bypass the password, I hack or get a trick this kind of trick. Can't explain a lot. Many people they ask the question, and many question I can't reply because once you work very hard and your video get deleted because it might be very easy and it might be very workable, you just get disappointed. So I'm thinking I don't want to my a lot of video demonetization, like I can't earn money from many of my videos because of the YouTube term and condition and policies. But I still do respect, they allow us the platform and we can still make a videos and giving knowledge to you people. This is for emergency, free internet, data, Wi-Fi, anywhere, password free internet, at home, anywhere. It's just videos that you have to use it for emergency purpose, and I always recommend you buy internet and support your local carrier. And this is just for educational, dramatized drama, you can say dramatized video. So I hope you get my point. So yeah, thumbs up.